How to log in My ID Disney Employee Portal. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can log in into the Disney Hub. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and search up Disney Hub in your preferred browser and you can just go to the disneyhub.com. Once tapped on it, you will be led to this page. So here under this page, you'll be finding this option called Login Portal. When you scroll a bit, you can go ahead and tap on it to enter into a portal where you can log in using your credentials. Go ahead and click on this official login again. And once you're on this page, the next step is go ahead and enter up your company email or your ID. And after that, tap on next and enter up your password. Follow the on-screen prompts, and then once that is done, you will be logged in using your ID on your Disney Employee Portal. So that is how you do it by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.